Daily English context. Getting completely lost and asking a stranger for directions to a landmark. You're in a foreign city. Your phone battery just died. You have a massive meeting in 10 minutes, but you're completely, hopelessly lost. You need to ask a stranger for help, but your mind goes blank. What do you actually say? Do you just wave your hands and shout the name of your hotel? Please don't do that. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to ask for and understand directions like a true local, without the panic.
Look, Jessica, I'm telling you what the man said. He told me to go past the big statue of the horse and then turn left. Maybe he said right. I really should have written this down somewhere.
George, we have the client presentation in 15 minutes. If you can't remember which way the horse was facing, we're going to lose the biggest contract of the year. Did he mention any other streets? Come on, focus.
Wait, how did they end up fighting about a horse? Let's rewind. First, let's grab 3 survival phrases. Number 1, point me in the right direction. You use this when you just need a general idea of where you should go.
Excuse me, my phone died. Could you point me in the right direction for the central train station? I just need to know which way to walk. I'm completely lost without my map app. Please help me out.
That's perfect! Phrase 2 is landmark, a famous object that helps you navigate, like a statue. Phrase 3 is intersection, where 2 streets cross. Now, let's jump back to the scene. Are they gonna make their big meeting?
Okay, let's stay calm. My phone is completely dead, and we're officially lost in a new city. George, you went into that coffee shop to ask for help. Please tell me you got actual directions to the conference center. We can't be late.
Oh, absolutely. The barista was super friendly. I walked right up to the counter and said, "Excuse me, could you point me in the right direction for the Global Trade Center?" He gave me a whole list of instructions.
Oh, thank goodness. See, this is why it's good to actually speak to locals instead of relying on apps. So, which way do we go? Do we head back down the main road or cut through the park? Tell me exactly what he said.
Well, he said it's definitely within walking distance, which is great news. We don't need to find a taxi or figure out the bus system. It's just a quick stroll from here. He promised it would take less than 10 minutes.
Okay, George, walking distance is great, but in which direction? Time is ticking. We have 12 minutes until we're supposed to be standing on a stage. What was the very first step of his directions? Did he say to go straight?
Right, the first step. He said to walk down this street until we see a major landmark. A huge statue of a man on a horse? Once we see that landmark, we're supposed to turn... Wait, let me think. Was it left or right?
You forgot which way to turn at the landmark? George, that's literally the most important part of the instruction. If we turn the wrong way, we'll end up on the other side of the city. Think harder. What else did he say?
I'm trying. He was speaking really quickly. Okay, he said to pass the horse, and then we'll reach a really busy intersection. You know, a big crossing with traffic lights. He said to cross that intersection and then keep walking.
Did you catch that? George remembered the word intersection. It's so much clearer than just saying the place where the roads cross. But wait, they still don't know which way to go with the horse. Let's see if Jessica can solve this.
Okay, so we walk to the horse landmark, then we find the busy intersection. But George, we still don't know if we turn left or right to get to the intersection in the first place. Look around. Do you see a horse anywhere?
Let me look. Nope. Just a bakery, a bank, and a very angry-looking pigeon. Maybe the barista meant a different street? Actually, wait, he said the conference center is exactly opposite a huge glass library. Does that help us at all?
Opposite the library? George, that means it's on the other side of the street from the library. That's great information, but we don't know where the library is either. We need to ask someone else right now before we miss the presentation.
Oh, wait, look over there, down at the end of this block, past the bakery. Is that... Yes, it's a statue! I can see a bronze tail. That has to be the horse landmark he mentioned. We just need to walk straight.
Oh, you're right. Good eyes, George. Okay, so we walk straight to the landmark, and since the street only goes one way from there, the intersection must be right behind it. Come on, let's walk fast. We can still make it.
See? I told you I had it under control. My English for directions is getting much better. I knew exactly how to ask him to point me in the right direction. You just have to trust my navigation skills. I'm practically a local.
Yes, your navigation skills are legendary. I especially loved the part where we stood on the pavement for 5 minutes debating the existence of a horse. Okay, we're at the statue. Now, where's the intersection? I don't see any traffic lights.
That's strange. The barista said the intersection was immediately after the horse. But this is just a small alleyway. Wait a second. Jessica, look closely at the statue. That isn't a horse. That's a giant bronze dog.
Oh dear, a giant bronze dog instead of a horse? This is a classic travel mistake. Have you ever misunderstood a local's directions like this? Let's see how they recover from this disaster with only 5 minutes left. Will they find the library?
A dog? George, how do you confuse a dog with a horse? Okay, that means we're completely in the wrong place. The real landmark is somewhere else, and our meeting starts in exactly 4 minutes. This is a total disaster.
I'm sorry. From a distance, the tail looked very horse-like. Okay, look, there's a security guard standing over there by that office building. I'm going to ask him. I'll get this right this time. Just wait right here for me.
Oh, no way! I'm coming with you. We need to make sure we get the exact details. Come on, let's run. Excuse me, sir? Could you please point us in the right direction for the Global Trade Center? We're in a huge rush.
Yes, and could you tell us if it's within walking distance? My friend here is worried we might need a taxi. We're looking for a big glass library. We know it's somewhere opposite that library. Is it close by?
Oh, really? It's right behind us? George, turn around. Look up. Look at the building we've been standing in front of for the last 5 minutes while arguing about the dog statue. I can't believe this.
Oh my goodness! The Global Trade Center! It's literally right here! Wait, but where is the glass library? The barista said it was opposite the library. There's no library across the street, just a small cafe and a shoe shop.
George, the barista probably meant the trade center in the next town. We're in the right place because it says Global Trade Center right on the door. We don't need a landmark or an intersection anymore. We actually made it in time.
Well, I'm just glad it was within walking distance. Even if we spent most of that walk staring at a bronze dog. You have to admit, this was a great team-building exercise before our big presentation, right, Jessica?
Oh, yes. Nothing builds a team like a mild panic attack on a foreign sidewalk. Come on, we have 2 minutes to get to the meeting room. Let's just hope the client is easier to understand than the barista. I need a coffee after this.
I'll buy you the biggest coffee they have, but only if you promise to ask for directions next time. I think my career as a local tour guide is officially over. Let's go win this contract. Lead the way inside.
You're definitely buying the coffee. And pastries! Let's go! Next time we travel, I'm bringing a physical map and a compass. No more mysterious horse statues for us. Now, straight through those glass doors. We're gonna crush this!
Okay, I'm pulling up the presentation on my laptop now. Despite the confusion with the intersection and the landmark, we actually make a pretty good team. We survived the walk, and we found the client. I'm feeling confident.
We survived because the building was literally opposite the bakery we started at. But yes, we're a good team. Next time, I'll just ask them to point me in the right direction instead of guessing. Let's go do this presentation.
They made it! And they used some excellent survival phrases. Remember, if you're lost, ask someone to point me in the right direction. Look for a landmark, cross the intersection, and check if it's opposite something else. Also check the walking distance. Now it's your turn! Which of today's phrases will you use on your next trip? A. Point me in the right direction. B. Walking distance. Or C. Opposite. Drop your answer below. Please like and subscribe. It helps more learners find us.